Welcome to Globe Motors Blackburn, the premier RAC approved used car dealer in the Northwest. Every vehicle we offer is carefully selected, professionally prepared, and comes with complete peace of mind as standard. All of our cars are RAC approved, meaning each one undergoes a full 82-point RAC approved inspection carried out by our own RAC approved technicians right here on the site. Every vehicle includes 3 months RAC warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover, and is fully HPI clear for your confidence. We take pride in delivering quality vehicles that you can rely on, with preparation standards that go above and beyond. At Globe Motors Blackburn, it's not just about selling cars, it's about making sure you drive away with total confidence. Here we have a superb 2015 Range Rover Evoque 2.2 SD4 Dynamics Luxe finished in Caricora stone. This Evoque has only done 32,511 genuine warranted miles, making it extremely low mileage for its age and one of the best value bargains on the market right now. It comes with service history showing 3 stamps, including Land Rover main dealer stamps. Importantly though, the Cambelt, water pump and full service have all been carried out less than 1,000 miles ago. The MOT runs until the 21st of May 2027 and the vehicle comes with 2 remote central locking keys. The Dynamics Luxe specification gives this Evoque a properly premium feel. You get the panoramic glass sky lounge roof with electric sliding sunblind, giving the cabin brighter, more open feel, along with the Meridian surround sound system with Dolby Pro Logic and DTS Neo 6, which gives a seriously high-end audio setup. It also comes with blind spot monitoring, reverse traffic detection and self-parking functions, including parallel parking, perpendicular parking and parking exit. Manoeuvring is made much easier with the reverse camera, front bumper cameras, door mirror cameras and front and rear parking sensors with parking aid alert. Inside you'll find front and rear leather seats. The front seats are heated with electric manoeuvrability and driver memory options. Dual view touchscreen, satellite navigation, Bluetooth with Bluetooth audio, cruise control, dual zone climate control, ambient interior lighting, electric rear tailgate, electric folding mirrors, reverse dip mirrors, xenon headlights, daytime LED running lights and those glorious 20-inch alloy wheels. For extra peace of mind, this Evoque comes with a free RAC approved 82-point inspection with quality assurance certificate, 3 months RAC nationwide parts and labour warranty and 12 months RAC breakdown cover. Customers can also ask Globe Motors Blackburn about extending the warranty for longer term cover. If you're looking for a vehicle that has been prepared to the highest standards, then this is one not to miss. Here at Globe Motors Blackburn, all of our vehicles are displayed in our purposely adapted indoor showing room, allowing you to view all of our stock comfortably, whatever the weather. We offer a full range of finance options tailored to suit you, and every vehicle is presented by our RSA approved team, ensuring the highest levels of quality and preparation throughout. If you're not local, we also offer nationwide delivery and can provide a full remote walkaround via WhatsApp, so you can view the vehicle in detail from wherever you are. For more information, to reserve this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, get in touch with our team today. Globe Motors Blackburn. Quality vehicles prepared properly.